Hey everybody, there's another video from Learn to Love Tech. I'm on here today to show you a mount for the popular Osmo Pocket. That comes from DJI. I got this mount off of eBay. It's an Osmo Pocket mount. You get it for like $20, and it allows you not only to fit the Osmo Pocket into its sleeve and act as a stand to put on the ground to do some time lapse, to put anywhere to do some videos on panoramics and so forth. But you could also, underneath, there's a little hole, threaded hole for a camera mount. So you can take your camera mount off your tripod and stick it in, just roll it in and screw it on. And it fits taut and nice. Now you can put down your camera mount and do some specific photos that you always want to do, whether you have a glider or not, or have something else to mount and make some good movies. This is available from eBay for $20, and I really like it. This is actually made from a 3D printer. I'm going to put a link in the description, the eBay link, so you guys can pick up one. It's very nice. It's only $20, and I think you should get one as soon as possible before the ink runs out. Take care. And leave me a like, a comment, remember also to subscribe so you can get more videos. Take care.